Hey everybody, what's up? I want to welcome y'all to the conversation. And today, my man Vince Carter, after a long career, announces that this is going to be his final season in the NBA. Air Canada, Vince Sanity, is finally going to retire after this season. He just recently signed a one-year contract with the Atlanta Hawks where he's going to play his final season. Now, what does this mean? This means that Vince Carter would have been the player to play the longest in NBA history with 22 seasons. He passes Dirk Nowitzki, Robert Parrish, and others to be the only player to play that long for his career. And I think it's amazing that he's been able to play. Now, you got to know, Vince Carter is 42 years old, which is incredible. Imagine being 40 years old playing basketball in the NBA. But he decided that he wants to do that because there are, I think, about 7 players on Atlanta Hawks that are under the age of 22. So he's going to spend this last year just being a mentor, showing them how to, practice, how to be a professional and get through the NBA. So it's really exciting to see such a great pioneer for the sport of basketball actually have such a legacy. This guy played for 22 years. It's unbelievable. But Vince Carter is going to retire at the end of this season, and I think it's amazing. And I think we as sports fans should really celebrate a great pioneer for the game and the game of basketball and everything that he meant to it. But you got to remember, Vince Carter came in, as I said, 22 years ago, 21 years ago in the NBA. 21 years ago. You got to think about all of the generations of basketball players that has come through in this time. He came in the league when there was AI, Ray Allen, Tracy McGrady, Kobe Bryant, Yao Ming, Shaq, LeBron, D. Wade, Carmelo Anthony, Kevin Durant, Russell Westbrook, Damian Lillard, Stephen Curry, Kawhi Leonard. He's been through all of those generations of basketball. It's unbelievable when you think about it, but that's how long he's been in the NBA. And it's amazing to see somebody that cares about the game so much to play that long. We all knew that Vince Carter, wasn't playing because of the money. There's no way you're going to be playing that long and you need money. So he wasn't doing it for that. I think he knew at the end of his career he wasn't going to go down as probably the top 10 or 20 players of all time. But I think he was doing it for another reason, just to show players that if you really take care of yourself, take care of your body, and are true to the game, people will appreciate you. If you look at this situation with Carmelo Anthony, where he's still young, he's still in his early 30s or mid 30s, and he can't get into the league for whatever reason. But VC, he's 42 years old. So it shows you sometimes it's not even about age. A lot of the times it has to do with your attitude and the type of player you were. You never hear any situations of Vince Carter getting in anybody's face or any kind of, bad blood anywhere in the NBA. He just stayed to himself, stayed, committed to the league, stay committed to basketball, and that's the reason why he's able to get a contract and play this long. And I think that's why a lot of GMs and a lot of fans are going to warm up to him. So I hope this year we give him a nice farewell tour for one of the great players and the greatest dunker of all time. We just recently did a video highlighting his career and showing why he's the greatest dunker of all time. So you guys can check that out as one of our videos. And I just wanted to highlight a great career. So if you're a Vince Carter fan, make sure you leave a comment below. Let us know some of your favorite moments from such a great career and a great basketball player. Wishing you guys a great day. Charles here from DreamersPro.